This machine has two appearance designs to choose from. It can withstand inertia momentum generated by high gravity, and it is very stable during high-speed machining. The machine's spindle head features a short nose design that increases machining efficiency and reduces tool wear. The three axes are supported by high rigidity linear slide rails that are characterized by fast speed, high precision, low noise, and fast tool change that can effectively improve the work efficiency. In addition, the standard spindle oil cooler can effectively extend the service life of the spindle.